growing and correcting number of flowers, they were focused on performance approach.
It is indeed an honor to be present here tonight to officiate in the Municipal Council's Awards Night. Our journey towards recognizing excellence began in the year 2011. This was through the Clean and Green Town competition that inspired towns and cities to have clean and green town concept. Municipal councils maintained and improved its performance over the years with great responsibility. In this respect, local municipal councils over the years have taken a lead role in looking after our environment. And for example, in our forum today, we have again decided to fund and carry out a national cleanup campaign on a quarterly basis. And now, as we face new challenges under the climate change, we need to strengthen our roles in this area. In setting resolutions from the local government forum over the past 3 days, we have engaged with all aspects of our operations. I look forward to seeing that as part of your great effort for excellence, that these resolutions are engaged with and benchmarks attained. These resolutions have been minuted, and resolutions will be circulated later in the week. Ladies and gentlemen, as Fiji moves on its planning stages for the COP23 meeting, I want to take opportunity at this point in time to speak on our resolutions on climate change. Our Honorable Prime Minister has taken a lead role globally, and his leadership and vision have seen the prestige COP23 come to our beloved nation. His commitment to climate change, adaptation, and mitigations needs to be taken up by all Fijians. Fiji will be on the world stage by hosting COP23. So as local government administrators, what can we do on a local level which contributes to sustainable practice and cut down on our carbon footprints? The resolution passed during the forum asks for the councils to identify and engage on local projects. I'm very much aware that some of the councils are already engaged in this type of projects, but as we have discussed, that now it is the responsibility of all Fijians to engage in this program. As environment comes under my ministry, I will be happy to facilitate such awareness programs for councils and for them to integrate practice to reduce this carbon footprint. You will recall when we won the Miss South Pacific pageant, I have announced that she will be our ambassador to champion the climate change. And she will officially start her program in 2 weeks' time. And I would like to see that all of you support her during her visits to your respective municipalities. As part of our ministry's effort to close ranks with the Honorable Prime Minister's effort on climate change, we will be convening in the coming week the National Environment Council meeting. In addition, in the upcoming town planning scheme review, we will prioritize town planning scheme review. We will prioritize